Have you ever looked at your weekly calendar and thought, where did all my time go? You are working more, resting less, and still feeling behind. What if I told you that I save over 20 hours every single week? Not by working faster, but by working smarter with tools like Reclaim AI Motion and Zapier automate these functions completely. My calendar rearranges itself, tasks sync across platforms, and reminders adjust without manual input. This is not just a tech hack. This is a lifestyle upgrade. In today's video, I am going to show you how artificial intelligence helps me reclaim my time, automate decisions, and achieve balance without burnout. Most of us waste hours on repetitive non-thinking tasks, scheduling, replying to emails, organizing files. I am faster because AI works with me. And the quality, even better, because I have more time to focus on strategy, not just execution. I use Firefly's AI to take meeting notes, Perplexity AI to summarize data, and Compose AI to write contextual emails without burnout. The result, I no longer spend energy managing my day. I spend it doing deep work. With ChatGPT Custom GPT's Pictorial Opus Clip, I create video scripts, edit clips, and even generate thumbnails. All in one flow. I just tweak and upload. If you're a creator, you know how time-consuming content pipelines can be. Start with one tool that automates one area of your life, like task planning or email writing. Let it grow from there. Content that once took me 6 hours now takes 40 minutes. This is a Byte to Bank, helping you turn AI tools into financial and mental freedom. Emails, meetings, and research eat up more time than we realize. I am not faster because I work harder. Scene 4. Personal life automation tools like Reflect AI help me journal and process my week. I use Notion AI to plan goals, track habits, and optimize work. Eat This Much plans my meals. Fitboard AI designs workouts. Endel AI creates stress-reducing soundscapes. My daily decisions are minimal. My focus remains high. Even outside of work, AI saves me hours. I do not outsource my life. I optimize it. This is where AI delivers an unexpected benefit. Peace of mind. Time saved is not just about more productivity. It is about regaining mental clarity, energy, and emotional space. So, how can you get started? You do not need to implement everything at once. This is not just about being productive. This is about being intentional with your time, your energy, and your life. If you want to build systems that help you earn more and stress less, you are in the right place.